Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about EOS Summit Web Conference. So just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that Tok is going to have an airdrop on December 3rd, and they will be listed on the Chains exchange as well. That will be on December 7th. And also, BetDice is having a lucky draw every day. So this is basically free EOS. So you can check it out. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Also, Cat EOS is having an airdrop on December 20th. Snapshot will be on December 1st. So make sure you transfer your EOS out of the exchange to your EOS account to qualify for this airdrop. Also, EOSBET is giving out dividends. You can also check the link below if you're interested. So I think yesterday I talked 2 days ago I talked about EOS Danaera jump ship, and this is just a question mark. I'm not saying that Danaera is leaving the project, and a lot of people jump to the gun is saying that I'm creating FUD and everything, and today is even worse. Cointelegraph saying that sounds like Bitcoin new token concept from EOS, Danaera fails to win fans and all that. So they are talking about he's creating a new project, doing a side project and all that thing. And he is even worse, saying that Danaera excite EOS community with the new token, and they're suspecting there's another new project and all that thing. And people got confused. And at first, it was immediately clear what context was pitching for the concept, and is it still within the EOS ecosystem? And then people got confused, or this is a side project. But then Danaera saying that nothing I said here tonight undermine EOS. And here is even worse. Danaera hints at new projects suspected of leaving EOS. So guys, there's so many things going on. And Danaera is not leaving EOS. So this is from Danaera from Telegram, and I will say that again, I'm not leaving EOS or Block 1. In the process of working on EOS security and scalability, I stumbled upon a new set of trade-offs for a potential crypto token. I have really been exploring whether there's a market for those trade-offs. EOS is the future of blockchain, and each day our team at Block 1 is making it faster, more scalable, more secure, and more flexible. Also, this hypothetical token will be immutable, non-programmable, and limited to a currency role. It would in no way compromise the much larger use case of EOS applications. So Danaera is not leaving EOS. My point is, I create this video just for information purposes, and this is at the end of the video. I just basically ask, what do you think? I'm not saying that Dan is leaving, and don't forget this is a question mark. We don't know. And investment 101: don't put your emotion in any of the project or in any of your investment in stock market or whatnot. Otherwise, you will lose money, especially the cryptocurrency, because crypto is more volatile than the stock market. And also, people are so emotionally charged that they are getting so irrational, sometimes become unreasonable. No matter how much you love the project, you should not emotionally attach to any of the project. Also, I talk about the pros and cons of each project. I do also say something negative comments about Cardano, but nobody complained. I say negative things about Cardano as well. So if you're so emotional in this project, that means the price of EOS can be easily manipulated. That's not a good thing to the community. And also it shows that people do not have faith in the project as well. Another thing is that if you are so emotional driven by any video or by any people talk about a certain thing that is not that is not positive, or that is that you think that is creating FUD, or it's not a Moonboy channel, whatever. If you're so emotionally attached, that means you invest more money than you could afford to lose. You should never invest more money than you could afford to lose. And also, with the EOS mainnet launch, the launch is by the coordination effort of the block producer. Even that is without Danera. Danera is not even there when launching the EOS mainnet. It's all the block producer get together. So it's up to the EOS community how they want to build this project or this ecosystem. Even though Dan leave the project, this is not just a one person effort. This is a community effort to build the whole ecosystem. And it is up to the community how they want this ecosystem to be and how successful they want this EOS community to be in the future. And regardless of whether Dan is here or not. So come on guys, just be rational and just stay focused. And even though I don't talk about it, you will hear somebody talk about it. But the thing is, in my video, I did not saying that he's leaving. I'm just saying, what do you think? So people are jumping to the gun, hey, blah, 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 and all that. So I think people are too emotionally charged or emotionally attached to the project. I used to be like that too, but not that anymore. So if you are still like this, that's not good because you're going to lose a lot of money. Because investment 101, you should not put any emotion in any of your investment. Okay, let's get to the EOS Summit. So the EOS Summits, they have a lot of interesting project, a lot of dApps in the EOS Summit they talk about. This is the event they talk about. And also this project is organized by EOS Singapore, EOS Nation, EOS Sys, EOS Gravity, and EOS Nairobi. So this is like a community effort to for this summit. And you can see they have a whole bunch of projects. PAS, we talk about PAS probably in my previous video. This is like supply chain, is a supply chain for the cannabis industry. And other project is pretty interesting, is the Unclock. This is basically is the security, cyber security. Where is it now? In here. Oh, my computer. Oh, this is okay. This is another project. Unclock is, I don't know where did I put it. So this is Unclock is basically the next generation cyber security threat management. So this is pretty cool project. I think this is on the EOS platform. And another project they are doing is My Wish. My Wish, I talked about that in my previous video. This is like you can create your own smart contract without writing any coding. For example, you can do a pre-NEP agreement, you can create your will, and also you can write on different blockchain. You can write on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Neo, or EOS blockchain. And in my previous video, probably a few months ago, I talked about this project. Let's see, My Wish. So this is the video that I create for My Wish. This is the first EOS smart contract dApps, and also Slow Miss, the EOS dApp Slow Miss. And Slow Miss is also another interesting project I talk about. Oops. So Slow Miss. Oops. Slow Miss is basically also focused on the blockchain ecosystem security as well. And also you have Everpedia, just like Wikipedia. And Ether is basically decentralized Uber. And the project is going to launch in Quebec. So this is interesting. This is like decentralized Uber will launch in Quebec. And also they have another gaming called Panda, Fun Panda. And also they have another dApps, which is if, when, and then. So this is basically you can tap into the world talent, and just like, I don't know if you heard about Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel don't care about university degree. This is more like a skill set. You match the person's skill set with the big technology company like Google, Facebook, stuff like that, and a lot of a lot of people they just learn how to do programming without going to college. I mean, this is pretty interesting. And Ono is a decentralized Facebook, and Infinite Worlds is like a augmented reality. I talked about this project probably last week. You can check back my previous video. Let's see, augmented reality. I talk about that Infinite Worlds in here. So this is like augmented reality. So you can check out my previous video, and also you have EOS Gravity. They this is I think they provide venture capital funding and stuff like that. And you have Pocket. What's this one? Pocket EOS. Mm. So Pocket EOS is a one-stop EOS ecosystem platform. Maybe it's a marketplace, I guess. And Luminous, I think I talked about this project a while back. Is like those are just like giving out survey and stuff like that, and you can choose to give out your personal data and get some type of reward and stuff like that. So right now, when you give out your personal data, you don't get any reward. But here, you can choose to give out personal data and get some monetary reward. And also you have another project called Cater. This is like building applications and without any coding, and then you can earn rewards as well. This is another interesting project in the EOS Summit Web Conference. And meet.omne, a lot of people know they create a wallet. And so far, I like the meet.omne wallet compared to other wallet. And I wish the EOS hardware wallet has better features than this, and then I will migrate to the hardware wallet. At this time, meet.omne I think is a pretty decent wallet. I think Block One they're going to do their wallet as well, so we'll wait and see. And SVK Crypto, this is like investment. This is probably a venture capital funding for the dApps. And so in the conference they have like different speaker from different projects. They're pretty so as we said earlier, this is a community effort, not just one person effort, and to build this community. and and also another thing is don't be too emotionally attached to any project. um, if I mean, if people are so emotionally driven, the price of the EOS can be easily manipulated. Just like a stock market too, they can easily manipulate, and just like Bitcoin price as well, they can easily manipulate with the emotion, with the using the mainstream media and stuff like that. And I think building the EOS ecosystem is not just one person effort, it's the community effort. So it's up to the community how they want to build this ecosystem, and how they want to make how successful they want to build this ecosystem. And I would like to see more dApps like that rather than those gambling gaming platform. But the thing is, gambling and gaming platform is also a good thing because it will bring more mainstream adoption or mass adoption through gaming, that they introduce EOS, and also introduce them into the cryptocurrency, stuff like that. So let me know what you think about the EOS Summit Conference, and please comment below. And also, do you think we should stay emotionally neutral to all the projects? I know people are passionate about the project, but the thing is, um, in terms of investment in stock market or in commodity or in cryptocurrency, I think we should maintain neutral, and don't let your emotion drive you. We have to be more rational most of the time, especially in terms of dealing with investment and money, stuff like that. Please comment below. I would like to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends, and also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway half for ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, Stay safe. Peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use a due diligence.